Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Monsoon color grading in CapCut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up my CapCut application and then I'm going to open up my project, and then in this tutorial, I'm going to show you two color gradings that you can use. The first one is using a Pro filter and the second one is free. Okay, now let's start with the first one. I'm going to go to the folder menu. It's here, and then I'm going to search for Bad Bunny folder, this one, and it's not free. And then we can set the folder to 62. Oops, wait. Okay, oops, sorry. You can set it to 62, and then I'm going to click on the check mark, and then we're going to go to the adjust and then adjust the brightness. For the brightness, I'm going to make it +6, and then for the contrast, make it -7, and then you're going to make the saturation +6. Okay, and then for the brilliance, I'm going to make it +8, and then for the sharpen, you're going to make it +28. Make it 28 like this, and then you're going to go to the highlight and make it -8, and then for the shadow, make it -6. Okay, and this is how it looks. And then the second one, I'm going to apply another filter, but wait, let me split my video here. You can see the difference, right? This is the original video and this is the video I have applied color grading to, and I'm going to split it. And then the second one, I'm going to choose free filter. I'm going to search for brilliance filter. Okay, and choose this one guys, and then for this folder you are going to make it 73. Okay, done. And then I'm going to click on the check mark, and then we're going to go to the adjust and select brightness. Select this brightness, and then you're going to make it -4, and then for the contrast, make it -7. And then for the brilliance, let's move to the brilliance, make it +6. And then the last one for the sharpen, we're going to make it 20, just 20. Oops. Okay, done. And these are the filters that you can try. I mean the color grading. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.